Hi, here we talk about the consequence of aggregate orientation, how this concept influences data modeling, normalization, performance, and design choices in modern databases. What is aggregate orientation? In database terms, aggregate orientation means grouping related data into a single unit. In relational database, this could mean related tables. In NoSQL databases, it's often a single document. This approach contrasts with traditional normalized models. Here's a comparison. In relational databases, orders and order items are normalized into different tables. In aggregate oriented NoSQL systems, everything may be embedded in a single document like MongoDB. A major consequence is denormalization. It makes data easier to read. One document fetches all related data, but at the cost of redundancy and harder updates when the same data is repeated across documents. In aggregate orientation, transactions are often limited to a single aggregate. This simplifies consistency within the unit, but complicates operations that span multiple aggregates, especially in NoSQL, where cross-document transactions are limited. Aggregate-oriented databases reduce the need for joins, improving read performance, but if aggregates grow too large, they may negatively impact query speed and storage efficiency. Aggregates are often used in schema-less databases like MongoDB. This allows flexible, evolving data structures. However, it also makes it harder to enforce constraints and relationships compared to relational models. Querying becomes tightly coupled with the way aggregates are modeled. Complex analytical queries that span many aggregates are more challenging and may require different tools or data pipelines. Aggregate orientation is best used when all data in the aggregate is typically accessed together, like order and order items. It's efficient for transactional systems but may not suit data with complex relationships. To sum up, aggregate orientation means grouping related data together. It helps make data access faster and simpler, especially in NoSQL databases. But it also brings some problems like repeating data and harder updates. So we should use it carefully, depending on the type of data and the system we are building. Thank you.